Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to create 3 simple, all-natural body oils that you can use on your skin, you can use on your hair, you can use for healing, and you can use it for wounds, you can use it for all types of things. Keep on watching and see how I create it. We're going to be using calendula flowers, rose petals, sweet almond oil, grape-seed oil, and lavender. Now keep on watching and see how I create these. Okay, so you want to take some muslin fabric. I'm just going to cut this. This is how it looks. I'm gonna set it inside here because I want to strain it. So I'm gonna bring you guys back in just so that you guys can see how it looks. So this is the calendula oil and this is the rose petal oil. I put both of these in the crock pot overnight and then I let them sit out for about 2 days. So if you don't have that time and you just want to throw them in the crock pot overnight and then take them off and let them cool off, that is totally fine too as well. If you want something quick and easy. So the first one we're going to do is actually going to be the rose petal. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to pour it into this cup and let it strain, let all of the oil come out. So this is how my cup looks like. I have the muslin on top. I'm just going to pour it all in there. And then as you can tell, let me just flip it around. As you can tell, all of the oil is actually straining inside here. So I don't want to put any of the flowers that were sitting inside of here. I don't want to put that in here, but I am going to throw some fresh roses in here. Just keep on watching to see how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed how to make those 3 easy DIY body oils. Again, there's a lot of benefits for using the calendula and using the rose petals flowers. There's also other flowers out there that are just as wonderful and just as beneficial. I would search and look at other flowers if you guys can't come across these ones, but I'm gonna leave all of the ingredients I used in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Question of the day: do you guys prefer putting on oil after the shower or before the shower? Me personally, you gotta comment down below to find out what I like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you guys next time.